It is time for my song of the week.
Okay.
And I don't care where you live, whether it's hot in the summer or super hot or volcano hot.
There's no other cold options?
Those are the options.
Those are the three. We have one thing in common, all of us.
What's that?
I guarantee every single person can agree. We did not get everything done on our to-do list.
Oh, for the summer, you mean?
Yeah. In fact, some of us didn't get anything done whatsoever.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Because the summer is for relaxing, not working.
I've done no relaxing. I feel like this summer has been so packed.
Oh, wow.
Sucks for you.
Yeah.
But for the rest of us who had those big to-do lists where at the start of summer you're super ambitious. Oh, yeah, I'm totally going to get my dog groomed this week. 4 months later, he looks like Chewbacca's hobo cousin.
I see what you're saying. I thought you meant we're trying to fit in that rafting trip and
Even
camping.
that,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, all of it.
Or Brooke promising her husband she'll shave her pits for their anniversary. Never happened.
Oh.
Again, looking like Chewbacca's hobo cousin under there.
You know I love some armpit hair, Jeffrey.
I-
Raise them proud, ladies.
Yeah, but does your husband?
It doesn't matter. That's the great thing.
I don't know why I keep using hair references, because it's much more than that. I'm talking about the chores and the appointments and the life goals you tell yourself, I'm going to do it maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
yeah.
Tomorrow's a
It's always
better
better.
day.
Yeah.
So you're a procrastinator. And personally, I don't think you should be ashamed of that.
Okay.
You need to own it, just like
Yeah.
me and everybody else listening right now.
Well, that's good because I was just
Alright.
going to be ashamed later because I just didn't really didn't want to do it now.
Yeah,
So
push that shame
perfect.
off. That's why today, for all the procrastinators, instead of singing Carly Rae Jepsen's hit song,
What?
Call Me Maybe,
Yes.
it's Young Jeffrey's Call Me Lazy.
Oh, my goodness. This is my anthem.
Yeah. It is.
Already.
It should be played anytime Jose walks into a room.
Can't wait to share this on social media.
All right. But you'll do it, in a few months or whatever.
Yeah. When I get around to it.
Okay. I'm going to point when I'm ready. Point. I made a vow to myself to try and work on my health. I bid all sweets a farewell after this one last cake. So many things on my list I need to do but resist. I cross my heart and insist this time for sure Monday. Laundry ain't folded, clean fridge, food is molded, trash can overflowed it. I'll do it tomorrow maybe. I've got some work due. The boss is waiting. I'll send that email once I'm done tweeting. I bought a goldfish that needed feeding, but now he's into inverted sleeping. I met a Shih Tzu, a bite it gave me. I skipped the doctor, now I got rabies. Just like your Delta Flight, I keep delaying. I put the pro in, procrastinating.
I'll do the dishes after one more episode of Love Island, I swear.
My mother gave me a call, I hit ignore on them all. We spoke 10 minutes last fall, so yeah, I need my space. I plan to rent a fifth wheel and see this country for real. Then watch some Let's Make a Deal and never left my driveway. Date night was going, plan B I was holding. Forgot the next morning, now we got a whoopsie baby. Lights on my dashboard, ignore them daily. Like Guy Fieri, my car is flaming. My insurance just expired in 2018. Sure, I'll make plans, but you know I'm flaking. Blockbuster rental, I bet they hate me. They'd be in business if I paid my late fees. I got so many props, more than Jay-Z. Okay, fine, I'll fix them. Unless it's rainy, on Christmas morning I wake up while screaming, oh crap, forgot to gift wrap, stuffed them in Glad trash bags. I'll just Febreze myself again, I don't need no bath, don't live my life fast, I'm like a mule half-assed.
Jessica, I am gonna propose to you, but we've only been together for 8 or 9 years? Come on, that's kind of quick.
Hey, I'm in debt, but it doesn't faze me. You don't get stress lines when you're this lazy. In June I planned some beach body training. Now summer's over and I'm beach whaling. Could've bought some Apple stock back in the 80s, but instead I waited. Don't procrastinate me. I just need a little time and I'll get on that. I'll I'll get those holes patched in 3 to 1 months max. Swear I'm not brushing this off, I've just been so slammed. Hit every traffic jam, don't call me lazy.
Yes, Jeffrey. I mean, I could hear some of the like personal inspiration that you took for that song.
What are you
with
talking about? I don't delay
insurance,
anything. No, that's
Denying your mom's calls.
I don't know, emails to the boss.
that was all like creative.
it was.
Creative
Yeah.
control for
Or
me.
projecting, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so-
and I'm sure you didn't wait to the last minute to write it either.
No,
Yeah.
I had this done years ago. So next time someone tells you, oh, you're lazy, you don't respond to your work emails,
Oh,
you didn't
okay.
renew your license,
Yeah.
you didn't pick up the kids from school today,
Yeah.
you wear that badge of honor with pride,
That's
okay?
not honorable
I'm
with
the
the
only
kids.
one telling you that it is okay. Procrastinators unite.
Oh,
But maybe we unite tomorrow or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
When we're free.
it's a union that's not really going to take off. Yeah.